Alright, welcome. We're doing a basil smash today. So you're going to start off by taking 5 to 10 basil leaves. And you're going to put them in that shaker and you're going to muddle them up. So, if you got a muddler, use that. But I prefer this multi-tool. It's great as a muddler, even better for disciplining children. And it works the best if you give it a name. This is the Stinger 3. Rest in pieces, Stinger 1 and Stinger 2. Now that you got the basil muddled properly, it should smell pretty fragrant, like basil. Now, take your time, get organized beforehand and it'll go a little bit faster. But you're gonna fill that shaker up with ice. You don't need to go overboard. You want to get this drink cool, because it's hot outside. I wouldn't make this in the winter unless you're really craving summertime, because this is a summer drink. Cut a lemon in half. You're only going to use half of it. Maybe more, who knows? But I do know, you're only going to use half of it. You're going to juice a lemon. That's going to be about 1 ounce or so of lemon juice. Ooh, squirted. Whoops. I'm gonna throw in some simple syrup there. That's 0.75 ounces of simple syrup. Now, I'm gonna put in 2 ounces of gin. Just plain London dry gin. Whatever you got is fine in this one. Put the top on, and you're going to give it a good shake. Shake well for about 30 seconds or so. You will know it's done when the shaker becomes very cold. Gonna put a coaster down, put a rocks glass on it, put in 3 nice sized ice cubes, or 1 really big one if you're into that type of thing. Ice is ice. Now we're gonna double strain on this one because I don't like floaties. Anytime you got beat up herbs, you know, they tend to become floaties, and I don't want that. There we go. Oh, guess we're gonna use a little bit more lemon for the garnish, just a wedge. And you're gonna stick a sprig of basil in there, and it's really nice when you drink this drink, you get that nice aroma of basil. It helps out.